Personal contract hire is a great way for people to drive their dream vehicle. Jane needs a new car but thinks the only option is to buy one. She is currently saving for a deposit on a new house. She doesn't want to use up all her savings and so has a strict monthly budget. Jane's father is very astute and has always said, if something can go up in value, buy it. If it loses money, don't. Jane understands that the biggest hidden cost in a car is depreciation. Through personal contract hire, Jane can protect herself from unpredictable depreciation and get the car she wants by way of fixed monthly payments. Because personal contract hire is based on a business finance scheme, we can offer more significant discounts, not normally available to private individuals. This means she can have a much better car for her budget, and all she has to do is insure it, put petrol in it, and service it. So, how does it work? Well, Jane chooses her car, agrees the annual mileage, and chooses a fixed monthly rental for between 1 and 5 years. When the contract ends, the car is collected from her home with nothing further to pay, as long as she's looked after it and kept it within the agreed mileage. With personal contract hire, Jane can get herself a much higher specification car than she would have been able to buy outright for a low monthly rental. Find out more by calling us at Leasewell on 01656 337 337.